Eggs can be advantageous for liver well-being, yet their effect relies heavily on how they're consumed and the singular's general well-being. Here is a nitty-gritty gander at the connection among eggs and liver well-being. 1. Choline content in eggs. Eggs, particularly the yolk, are one of the most outstanding dietary wellsprings of choline, a fundamental supplement indispensable for liver capability. Choline upholds different physical processes, including fat digestion. It helps separate fats and forestalls their gathering in the liver. Anticipation of greasy liver illness. Studies recommend that inadequate choline can prompt non-alcoholic greasy liver infection, NAFLD. Recovery of liver cells. Choline adds to the maintenance and upkeep of liver cells, which is critical for generally liver well-being. 2. Eggs and cell reinforcements. Eggs contain cell reinforcements, for example, selenium and vitamin A, which assist with shielding the liver from oxidative pressure. The liver assumes a vital part in detoxification, and cell reinforcements from eggs can uphold this capability by killing hurtful free revolutionaries. 3. Protein backing. Eggs are a phenomenal wellspring of excellent protein. The liver purposes protein to fix harmed tissues, support catalyst creation, keep up with legitimate invulnerable capability. For individuals with liver circumstances like cirrhosis, getting sufficient protein is fundamental to forestall muscle squandering and advance liver well-being. 4. Cholesterol contemplations. There has been worry about the cholesterol content in eggs, especially for people with liver circumstances. While one egg contains around 186 milligrams of cholesterol, research has shown that for most solid people, dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't fundamentally raise blood cholesterol levels. Notwithstanding, people with liver illnesses like cholestasis, a condition where bilirubin is disabled, may have to restrict their egg consumption because of potential issues handling dietary cholesterol. Individuals with an inclination to elevated cholesterol ought to counsel a medical services proficient prior to consuming eggs consistently. 5. Eggs and liver infection. Greasy liver sickness, NAFLD, NASH. Customary utilization of eggs might help people with non-alcoholic greasy liver illness, NAFLD, because of their choline content, which forestalls fat development in the liver. Notwithstanding, balance is key for those with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, a more serious type of NAFLD, as fat and cholesterol admission ought to be painstakingly observed. Cirrhosis. Eggs can be a decent protein hotspot for people with cirrhosis, a condition where liver tissue is scarred. Sufficient protein admission is fundamental in such cases to forestall muscle squandering and backing generally speaking well-being. 6. Egg groundwork for liver well-being. How eggs are arranged can impact their effect on liver well-being. Bubbled, poached, or fried eggs, with insignificant oil, are the best choices for the liver. Seared eggs or eggs ready with bunches of oil or margarine can increment fat admission and strain the liver, particularly assuming that there is a basic liver condition. 7. Balance and individual changeability. While eggs can be valuable for liver well-being, it's vital to consume them with some restraint, particularly for people with specific circumstances like elevated cholesterol or liver sicknesses. How much eggs that is suitable shifts from one individual to another, and it's in every case best to talk with a medical care supplier prior to rolling out dietary improvements. Eggs can be a significant expansion to a liver-accommodating eating regimen, fundamentally because of their high choline content, cell reinforcement properties, and protein. Be that as it may, it's fundamental to consume them in a decent manner and consider individual medical issue while integrating them into your eating regimen.